Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. This video is dedicated to those who prefer using Google Colab. So if you want to use Google Colab, I'm going to demonstrate on how you can open your Google Colab and get started with this course. So what you can do, you open your browser, and on your browser just type Google Colab like this. Once you type Google Colab, just go here and click it. After clicking that, you'll be redirected here. Then when you get here, you can see all the projects that you have been working on. To just go here and click New Notebook. Same as the notebook that we use on Jupyter Notebook. So either you are using Anaconda or you are using Google Colab, will have the same result. So the good thing about Google Colab, all your data will be saved in your Google Drive. So here we can give it a name. Let us call it data science. Okay, that's the name of our file. Okay, so the good thing about Google Colab here, you don't need to configure anything. Everything is already there. What you need to do is to perform your data analysis. So Google Colab is mainly for machine learning, data analysis, and data science. It is a very good IDE to use for data analysis. Okay, so what I need to show you is how you can import your CSV file here. So what you need to do first, let us import Pandas as PD. After importing Pandas as PD, we need to call the file module from Google Colab. The file, so from Google.colab import file. So after importing files, now we can create a variable so that we upload our files. So upload is equals to files.upload. So this function will enable us to upload our file. Okay, for example, let us run here. So for the first time, it might take a while to load here to get access to the server. So what you can do now, you can go and choose your file. So our file we're going to choose on desktop here. Then let us go on desktop. Then let us move. We are going to to work with student performance here. So we upload our file. So this is our CSV file. So it is now loading. Now 100% it is done. So we have successfully uploaded our file and it is saved here. You can even click save, copy in your drive if you want. Right. So after saving, now what you can do now, you can add another line of code. For example, we can say our data frame is equals to pandas dot read underscore CSV. So to read this CSV file, let us call this CSV file is students performance. Student performance dot CSV. Then we can run this data frame. So we click here to run. So this is our data frame. As you can see, we have the 1000 observation or rows and 8 variables, which is the columns. Okay, so I think from here we can all proceed with this course. If you want to use Google Colab, you can use, but make sure you are always connected online if you are using Google Colab. But if you want to work offline, you can join me on Jupyter Notebook. You can still work well. So either way, you can use Google Colab or you can use Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. Everything will be still fine. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye bye.